All right, good morning, guys. How you doing? It's Courtney with Before and After Cleaning Service. Out on this beautiful Tuesday morning, getting my day started, man. Out doing a ride around, doing scrap metal. About 25 minutes from my local area, man. And got a call this morning from one of the customers asking me to come out, man, to pick up some scrap metal at one of the houses they cleaning out, man. They got a nice little load out here, man. I just put a refrigerator on the trailer, and now I'm getting ready to put this stove and the dishwasher and some other little pieces of metal and stuff like that. And I think they said they have a washer and dryer in the inside. So I'm gonna go in there and grab that as well, man. So I'm gonna show you guys what's around this dumpster here. And then I'm gonna get everything loaded up, man, and keep it moving, man. I got another spot to go pick up on. So let me show you guys, man, while I'm up this morning, man. I tell you, man, waking up in the morning time is one of the hardest times for me, getting out that bed and rolling out that bed, man. But hey, man, money talks, man. Money talks, man. It motivates you. All right, guys, let me show you guys what we have here. All right, guys, here we go, man. You know what I mean? This is what we have right here, man. Dishwasher, ceiling fan, sink. Got some other little stuff over here, man. And these guys doing a clean out, man, over here in the College Park area, man. It's like I said, it's about 25 minutes from where I'm at, man. But I had to ride, man. I know this gentleman. I met this gentleman a few weeks ago, man, and he's been giving me all the houses that he cleaned out. He cleaned out a lot of it, man. Pretty nice size company, man. I'm thankful for that, man. And I'm grateful for all that I get, man. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. If you look over there on my trailer already, I started loaded up. I loaded up my refrigerator there. It's already on there. And, you know, I got the other stuff here. So I'm gonna get everything loaded up. I'll see you guys as I keep it moving, Pete.
All right, guys, I beat the record. I beat the record, man. I beat it by, it looked like I beat it by 20 pounds. It looked like I beat it by 20 pounds. Even at 83, I think the last one was 82.60. So I might have beat it between 20 or 40 pounds, but I beat my record, man. I did it. I beat the record, man. I got a nice load on here, man. Over 2,000 pounds. Nice, beautiful day. Got to get this stuff offloaded. It sucks to have a homeowner association. You know, I think my neighbors was complaining, telling on me, man. I have a homeowner association in my neighborhood, and they, you know, I think they was complaining about the stuff I had in the back of my yard, man. That sucks, man. That sucks. It's a lot of stuff I have on here, man. I'm just gonna leave it on my trailer, a lot of motors, and I'm just gonna take it to the warehouse tomorrow because it's about 3:40 my time, and so by the time I get this stuff offloaded, these guys will be ready to get out of here. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I have on the trailer once I get over here to the dirt road. But yes, I did it. I did it. I did it. I beat the record. I did it. So here we go. We're on the way to the dirt road. All right, guys, I'm kind of in a rush, man. Like I said, it's about 3:45. I got 15 minutes. Let me show you guys what I have. Look at all of this, man. Wow, look at this, man. Over 2,000 pounds. Matter of fact, over 20, I want to say 2,320 pounds. That's what I weighed in at. 2,320 pounds. Wow, look at all of this, man. Isn't this something? It is loaded. AC unit, chairs, everything inside here. I have a lot of AC motors, AC coils. Woo! Look at all this copper, man. I'm so excited, man. You should have seen my face when I was loading this stuff up, man. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Didn't know how to act, man. I was so excited, man. Got little pieces of wood and stuff out here. I throw out here. They don't really mind that. Don't say too much about that, but I had to get this stuff kind of strapped down real good. You know, coming down the road, had to be safe, man. But a lot of copper, a lot of motor, a lot of stuff, man. So yeah, I'm gonna get this stuff offloaded, man. You guys gonna watch me get this stuff offloaded, man. A nice little lick, huh? A nice little lick. So I got this stuff, get all this stuff offloaded, man. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this. Man, this is a nice, beautiful day for me, man. Let me get this stuff offloaded. Let's get it.
Alrighty, guys, I got everything off of here. Man, I got a lot to do. I have a lot to do, guys. So I'm not gonna be long with this video. I tell you, everything that was on the floor. Look at all these motors I have, man. I have a lot of them. A lot of seal units. Love it. Go another one. Look at this one here. Yeah, this big mama right here. Yes, yes. Thrown on here. Thrown back on here. Got some cords I gotta break down. Some little cords and stuff inside there. I got some more cords and stuff. Guys, I got a lot to unpack, man. I tell you, man, the guys try to come over here and help me. I told them not today. Not today, guys. I can't use you guys today. I gotta get this stuff out of here, all that crap out of here. I'm running low on time. I got another motor over here. Man, there's a lot of great stuff out here. Look at all of this, man. What a load today. What a load. So excited, man. So excited. Cords to cut. I gotta get off of this recording. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I'm low on time. I got about 10 minutes left for these guys get out of here. The guy on the excavator, he's getting ready to offload the car. These guys getting out of here. You guys be blessed. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Let me get everything done so I get on out of here. You guys be blessed and get you guys tomorrow. Peace.